si Julie Antonio. Hello po sa inyo. Ito yung sa akin lang. Isi-share ko sa inyo yung konti kong nalalaman sa pagsasayaw. So, medyo emotional yung kanta, right? Sakit. Ouch. So, ituturo ko sa inyo yung steps. Ituturo ko sa inyo paano i-execute. Tapos, gusto kong bigyan nyo ng emotion. Kasi, yun yung secret. I-internalize nyo. I-feel nyo. Ako ang ginagawa ko pag nag-choreograph ako, nakapikit, tapos mayroon nag-roll na video, i-set ko lang yung camera ko, tapos earphones, tapos sasayawin ko. As in, kahit anong lumabas, tapos papanoorin ko lang sa video. Ayun, maganda yun. Tapos okay na. Yun, nagagawa ka na yung sayo. Kasi mas maganda kung feel, spontaneous yung nangyari, hindi yung pinag-iisipan. So why does your pride make you run and hide? Are you that afraid of me? But I know it's a lie, what you keep inside. This is not how you want it to be. So baby, I will wait. Ha, boom, boom. Sha, boom. Ha, boom. Lyrics per lyric. Sabihin natin yung lyrics, buksan ko yung pinto, sinara ko, upa ako sa toilet, nag-finlush ko, tapos na ako, naglakad ako, pwede tumayo ako, naglakad, parang ganun. Ha! Missing you, through my door. Cha! Cha! Basta para sa akin yun, kailangan bigyan nyo ng puso. Tapos, bigyan nyo ng puso na parang last nyo na to. Last ko na itong pagpa-perform. This is my last dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. I never felt nothing in the world like this before. Now I'm missing you. Wishing you would come back through my door. Chop, chop. Why did you have to go? You could have let me know. So now I'm boom, boom. Chop, chop. Bounce. Up. Wave. Chop. You're not around. It's a little bit more than I can stand. And all my tears, they keep running down my face. Why did you turn away? So why does your pride make you run and hide?
This has been your protege Webjock Max. Pa-share, pa-like.
Ano, kailangan ba palagi nalang pansit? Di pwedeng carbonara, lasagna, birthday spaghetti. Pupanesca. Pansit yan. Nay! Nay, pakanton ka naman, oh. Nay, pansit. Pa-share, pa-like.